Dude, Liam, check this out.
What's up?
So I'm working on this editing project, and I'm trying to fix the audio because it's like shit. And listen to this. You know what that is?
Background noise?
No, dude. It's a ghost event.
What?
A ghost event. Proof of a ghost residing in the area.
Are you sure it's not just like people talking behind the camera or
No.
something?
I called quiet on set every take. I know what I'm doing.
Take?
Every take.
You think that that's proof that there's a ghost?
Yeah, here, let me check something. Aha, see, look.
A few years ago, a student died in that soundstage. I bet it's their ghost I'm hearing. I mean, the case looks pretty private, but I'd bet that that's him.
Are you sure?
Here, I'll prove it to you. I rented out the soundstage tonight. We'll go there, I'll record it again, and you'll see I'm right.
I'm not crazy.
Okay. Okay. Can we turn on a light or something?
No. That'll scare the ghosts away. We have to have perfect conditions in order to find this thing.
It's okay, man.
I probably have to put it on the computer like before. And then we'll both hear it.
You use Enhance Audio?
Yeah, I always do. No, shut up.
Oh my god. You fucking dumbass.
What the
Oh my
fuck?
god. You're so fucking stupid.
Well, I know it makes it like a little more robotic, but overall it's much better.
It's taking all of the sounds from the soundstage and turning them into words with AI. That's what it does.
What?
It's just noise from the soundstage. It thinks that it's all voices. Oh my god, you're so fucking stupid. You know, I told you it wasn't a fucking ghost.
Liam?